Everyone, welcome to the Laboratory Onboarding Program at Adams Health Network. This tutorial is going to cover the BS to MedTech program. So if you are looking for the MedTech Onboarding Program tutorial, that can be found within this page here. The BS to MedTech onboarding program is intended for individuals who have been hired at Adams Health Network as medical technologists but did not receive their degree in medical technology. This program is just going to provide you with some necessary background knowledge regarding clinical laboratory science and medical technology to help properly prepare you for your career as a medical technologist at Adams Health Network. The purpose of this tutorial is to get you comfortable with the general design of the Sharepoint site and the laboratory onboarding program itself. I do anticipate that covering all of this is going to take more than one video, so this first part is just going to cover some basics like the structure of the Sharepoint site and just provide an overview of the structure of the program itself. In the following videos that I create, we'll get into some more detail regarding the material within the program and the requirements needed to complete each module, but for now we're just going to take it easy, start out with the basics. To begin our discussion about the Sharepoint site and the laboratory onboarding program overview, we are going to begin with the page that you see on your screen now. This is the laboratory onboarding landing page, and it's what you'll see every time you access the laboratory onboarding curriculum Sharepoint site. Because you'll see this so frequently, whether that's for 5 seconds while you jump to another module or for 5 minutes while you become more acclimated with the program and the Sharepoint itself, I have linked some helpful information and resources that will be used throughout the program. Keep in mind that anything that says MT onboarding does not refer to the program that you're in, and you can disregard that. However, if a document or a link says BS to MT right here, that does refer to you, and you'll want to take a look at that and become acclimated with it. So right over here I have linked some helpful information. Right here I have this BS to MT program overview and description. This is essentially going to be your syllabus. I have this all linked. It's just going to provide an overview of the requirements and the modules that will be required for you to complete. However, we're not going to discuss that now. We'll discuss that at a later time. I just wanted you to be aware that it's there. Additionally, I have linked a program checklist for your convenience whenever you need to use that. On this side, I have some frequently used resources. If we click here, we are taken to a Media Lab login page. You'll log into that every time you need to get to Media Lab to complete some training. I do have a different tutorial discussing Media Lab, how to use it, its purpose in a different video, but for now I'm just letting you know that this is here. I have also linked the Adams Health Network Policies and Procedures website. If I click on that, it'll take you to this. This is where all of the policies and procedures for Adams Health Network are linked. And to use this, all you do is you just search for a policy that you need. So if I need any policies referring to the lab, I'll just type in lab and click search, and it'll bring up all of the lab policies. They also have the lab policies linked in this folder here, which is right there. And for your convenience, I have linked that here. These are just specifically the laboratory policies and procedures at Adams Health Network. Additionally, I have linked this daily activity log. We'll get into more detail about that later. Just for now, know that that is linked there if you ever need it. If we continue on this page, we'll scroll down and we'll see this module overview for each program. So as I said before, we don't need to worry about the MedTech onboarding program. However, we do need to worry about this BS to MedTech. This is the list of all the modules, and you will proceed through the modules in this order. So first we'll begin with some general laboratory practices and procedures. We'll move then to phlebotomy and then to specimen collection and processing. Then we'll proceed through immunology, urinalysis and miscellaneous, coagulation and chemistry. Then finally we'll discuss immunohematology, or blood bank as it's commonly referred to, microbiology, and then hematology. Keep in mind that these are links, so when you click on a link, it'll take you specifically to that module. And see, if I click on immunology, it'll take me directly to the immunology module. Additionally, you can access each module if you don't feel like clicking there. You can access it from this toolbar over here. I'm going to move now to the Start Here page. In order to be watching this video, you would have had to reach this start page yourself, so I'm not going to go into great depths about this. You read some information here, just a little introduction. Again, I still have this linked here, which is essentially the same thing as it was on the landing page. Keep in mind that you're here now. After you view this tutorial in its entirety, you'll view the Media Lab tutorial, where I'll discuss how to use Media Lab, its purpose, etc. Also, once you're done with that, just click here to view the competency and objective requirements for each module. This is a master list, so it's combined and consolidated all in one. If you scroll down a little ways, we have our laboratory department schedule. And you'll see this at the end of every module. This is a tentative schedule, and by the time you are viewing this, it may have changed already. But just keep in mind that this is here. We do have our virtual training, and this will tell you the time where you're going to be doing that virtual training and time where you'll be doing the bench work or your departmental training. So for example, phlebotomy, you'll be doing your virtual training in the afternoon, and in the morning you'll be working with that department and doing the in-person training. Again, if we move to this page, this is the MT Onboarding Start Here page. It is essentially the same as yours, but it is a little different. But again, we are going to ignore that because we are in the BS to MedTech program and not the MedTech onboarding program. I think this is a pretty good place to stop this video, and so in the next video we'll just discuss the modules, how to access each module and the requirements in those modules. We probably also will discuss the program overview and description, that way you become acclimated with that. But for now we will stop, and thank you for watching.